The Shahi Jama Masjid, a landmark built during the reign of Emperor Babur, now bears scars of recent violence. Constructed around 1528 by Babur's general Mir Hindu Beg, the mosque is a testament to the Mughal era's architectural legacy. Its design, noted for its stone masonry covered with plaster, reflects influences of earlier architecture, similar to the mosque in Badaयूं, distinct from later Mughal monuments of red sandstone. While most historians attribute its construction to Mir Hindu Beg, others speculate that the mosque might be a Tughlaq-era structure that Babur's general modified. Hindu tradition, however, holds that the mosque incorporates parts of an ancient Vishnu temple, believed to be a site where the 10th avatar of Vishnu, Kalki, will descend. Unlike the deeply entrenched disputes in Ayodhya or Varanasi, Sambhal's tensions surfaced only this year, breaking a long history of peaceful coexistence among its communities. The unrest began after a court-ordered survey of the mosque sought to investigate claims of a buried Harihar temple. This survey, which involved draining the mosque's ablution tank, fueled rumors of excavation and destruction. The situation escalated, culminating in violent clashes on November 24th. The violence resulted in 4 deaths, including a 17-year-old boy, and left hundreds injured, including law enforcement personnel. Mobs armed with stones, batons, and firearms engaged in arson, prompting police to deploy tear gas and rubber pellets. Several vehicles were torched, and the violence spread to nearby areas, leaving Muslim-dominated neighborhoods shaken.
ये है किसी के साथ भी किसी तरह का भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए, सबको एक नज़रिए से देखना चाहिए। हम ये चाहेंगे कि सबको एक नज़रिए से देखो, सब भाई भाई हैं, ये अलग तरीक़े का क्यों निज़ाम बना रहा होगा। हम ये चाहेंगे कि इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए, कि सबके साथ में एक सा बर्ताव होना चाहिए, ना कि ऐसा हो कि हिंदू के साथ अलग बर्ताव, कि मुसलमान के साथ अलग बर्ताव।
Residents report police intimidation, alleging forced signatures on blank documents and late-night visits. Families of victims allege harassment and a lack of transparency in investigations. Meanwhile, Hindu localities have largely resumed normalcy. Shops remain open, pujas continue, and walls are adorned with saffron flags and murals, presenting a stark contrast to the fear-gripping Muslim neighborhoods. The Places of Worship Act 1991, which seeks to maintain the religious character of all sites as they existed on August 15, 1947, has been thrust into the spotlight. The act prohibits conversion of any place of worship and was aimed at preventing future disputes. Section 3 of the act explicitly bars altering a religious site's character. However, a 2022 Supreme Court ruling permitted religious surveys, reigniting tensions in cases like Sambhal. The ongoing legal disputes, including a Supreme Court order to maintain the status quo regarding a well near the mosque's entrance, have added layers of complexity to the conflict. On January 10, 2025, the Supreme Court intervened, emphasizing the need to uphold peace and harmony. The court has paused any further action on the mosque until the Allahabad High Court hears the case. A status report from the district administration is due within 2 weeks, with the next hearing scheduled for February 21, 2025. Sambhal, a city with a rich historical and cultural legacy, now finds itself at a crossroads. The violence and unrest have disrupted livelihoods and fractured social harmony. While the Uttar Pradesh government has formed a 3-member committee to investigate the violence, the road to normalcy remains fraught with challenges. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath defended the mosque survey in the assembly, attributing disruptions to inflammatory speeches during Friday prayers. His comments, however, have sparked further debates, with opposition leaders demanding discussions on the communal violence.
केस को संपन्न नहीं हुआ था, ये लगातार सर्वे का काम चल रहा था और सर्वे के कार्य के दौरान पहले 2 दिन कोई भी शांति भंग नहीं हुई। तीसरे दिन जब 23 नवंबर को जुमे की नमाज के पहले और जुमे की नमाज के दौरान जिस प्रकार की तकरीरें दी गई, उन तकरीरों के बाद माहौल खराब हुआ और फिर उसके बाद जिस प्रकार की स्थितियां की गई थी वो सबके सामने है।
For centuries, Sambhal's communities coexisted peacefully, but the recent turmoil has left scars that may take years to heal. As the Supreme Court closely monitors the situation, the question remains: can Sambhal rebuild trust and restore harmony, or will its wounds deepen further?